Yeah, so here we have a custom 3D printed Fortress of Solitude base. So I'm using it with my uh Kingdom Come Superman. So this is the Fortress of Solitude base. So it it lights up. Okay, we can turn it off. So here it what it looks like, and like the Christopher Reeves movie, here's the crystal that can be inserted right there. So there's another one, and there's another one. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I dropped it, but I got it. Okay, so 3D printed, so it's made out of translucent white plastic, which mimics the crystal from the Fortress of Solitude. And as I said, it turns on. So there's the Kingdom Come Superman, which is my go-to Superman. So yeah. So also I'm gonna leave the seller's link on the description. So if you want to get yourself one, you can just hit him up. So yeah. Till the next time.